In primetime news this evening, opposition demanding more details on plans to remove GCT on imported raw food items. More concerns about the Education Ministry's handling of the feud between the principal and chairman of the St. James High School. And a pathologist gives evidence as the Mario D trial continues.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Prestius. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Love.
Well, Janella, as Jamaica welcomes more Spanish investors, businesses are being urged to forge partnerships with regional and international counterparts. And the government says it's bullish about tourism linkages to expand the nation's reach.
So last night, Renato was wearing the tie, but is Giovanni wearing this tie because of his school? What do you think?
His school takes part in champs?
Oh, okay. Oh, we
no,
went
I'm just
there.
asking. This was an innocent question.
Giovanni,
though.
over to you. I'm leaving.
I have learned that nothing is innocent in terms of comments with Janella. But what I can say to you, obviously, day one of champs is on the way. I'll have all the details on what has been happening so far. And Jamaica just took to the field in their return leg CONCACAF Gold Cup qualifiers against St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's a game they must win or prevent St. Vincent from scoring. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports.
I actually have another question.
Why am I in this?
You're the one here.
After,
so, What is the color Monroe wears?
Well, this is the same yellow? I don't know. Well, I mean, I'm sure Romain can tell us. And what is the weather going to be like for the next, 4 to 5 days?
Thanks, Janella. Now, we have had some shower activity across the corporate area. Well, heaviest has been across sections of coastal St. Mary and Portland. We did see about 50 millimeters coming from those two parishes. But we do have some isolated showers that are expected tomorrow, slight drying thereafter as we move into Friday and Saturday.
I see what he did right there.
Yeah, we have to go to the break, so I can't terrorize him right now. There is also more on the weather report and forecast later on, plus E-Prime and sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what more can be done to stem police-related fatal shootings?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.